So today we have travelled to the Daintree Rainforest, far north Queensland, and this is called Cow Bay. Now the Aboriginal name for it basically means rain a lot, something like that. Nice little beach, and literally it's where the rainforest meets the sea. And as you go through this area, you've got all sorts of palm trees, gum trees, lots of other tropical plants. We've walked around the beach a little bit, and now there's a little mangrove area here. This would be where all the mud crabs would be found, so you'd have to go right under near the roots. And then there's a little boat on the side here, a little paddle boat. We're not going to use it. This could be croc country. We don't really want to have a face-to-face encounter with a crocodile. But a nice little gentle stream there, and opening out into the big wide beach of Cow Bay. Got some palms. Nice gentle, very low rolling surf. Big wide beach. Hardly anybody here because we got here fairly early in the day before most of the tourist buses and so on arrive.